I'm Ajay Goel. I'm the co-founder at eRecruit. So eRecruit is India's first and fastest AI-powered hiring platform that gives guaranteed closure within 5 to 8 days. So it's a complete full-stack HR solution which leverages our AI to perfect matching, real-time assessments, candidate engagement from 8 million registered users and intelligence 400 million profiles from public sources. So that's what my company is all about.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ravinder Goyal, and I've been training and placement ecosystem since 1992. Managed one of the largest network training company in India with 680 plus centers. Hiring was a problem. Hiring is a problem, and being coming from the training and placement, so resolving the problem of hiring, closures of hiring, the recruiters are facing the kind of challenges they are facing. After pivoting couple of times, we have arrived at a solution which is Talent Suite. And now, as you said, that 5 to 8 days is the time when we close the hiring, whether it's a 6 lakh LPA recruit or maybe like 1 CR package. So we do that, and we have achieved more than 500 jobs we have done already in last 5 6 months.
As we've seen, hiring is a pain in India, and same hiring is a pain in international waters as well. So, as we've set our footprints in India, helping companies to get these closures in 5 to 8 days. So, we see that using our AI model, we'll be taking this eRecruit talent suite on a global level as well, wherein it integrates into the company softwares, their HRMS platforms, wherein they're able to hire just any critical profile within these 5 to 8 days. And since we are already working with these international clients, so it's a completely virtual setup wherein the tech is the major part. Rest we are working, and we'll be able to integrate our solutions into these international setups companies as well. Since it's very good, DGEM has already given us a forum where we have been able to meet like-minded founders, business owners, investors, many kind of advisors. So it, yes, definitely would help us to grow us exponentially in international borders as well as domestically, and it would give us a platform to leverage or probably showcase our AI solutions to the rest of the founders and the entrepreneur community.
You see, so a platform like Forbes, this DGEM's list, will help us to get the recognition and to build up a trust. What otherwise for a startup it's a problem. Though I come with 30 plus experience, but any new thing needs some recognition, needs some trust building exercise. So this will help us in. Coming out from that a new company, when the companies will trust us or not, so this will help us in achieving that part.
So, as we said, trust is the major part. We'll be able to, meet such like-minded founders who have this hiring as a pain point for their company and organization. So, we'll be, very much inclined towards meeting them, showcasing our solutions to them, how we are able to give them guaranteed closures, and not only to them, probably, meeting such investors who loves to interact, see these kind of new age solutions coming into the market. So, that's how probably we'll be able to benefit from DGEMs and this entrepreneur community.